Hey guys, welcome to Just Gone Riding, and I'm back with a brand new video. This time I'll be talking about the LED light kit from Denali, the Denali D7. These are the latest Denali D7 LED lights, and each light actually consists of 7 LEDs. With a total of 14 LEDs per kit, the Denali D7 has a total output of about 15,000 lumens, and it has a very far reach of about 1,500 feet at 1 lux. The light intensity is very bright and it can be seen very far away, so it's better to be visible. Well, one of the main reasons that I went for this Denali D7 largely because of the round shape. Round shape of this D7 fits in very well with the dual headlights of my Africa Twin. That's why I've chosen this D7 compared to the D4. I've also opted for the Datadim Controller so that I can manually control the intensity of the D7 light output. So it has a 50% light output and also a full intensity light output. This is with 50% light intensity, and this is with 100% full intensity. It has a large heat sink located at the back for heat dissipation. This is how it looks like at night, and this is the nighttime riding impression of the D7 lights. This is with 50% light intensity. In this video, the light actually looks bluish, but in actual real life, the light is actually very white. And here I switch on the 100% full intensity of the lights. It is very bright. I will upload another video to show a longer riding impression of the lights. Probably I'll look for somewhere much darker so that I can really show the actual effect of the lights. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'll upload more content. Thank you.